Hello and welcome to Hackathon Labs. I'm Mr. Hackathon, and in this video, I am going to show you how to build a real-time vision agent. Stream is a platform that allows you to build rich chat experiences with APIs and SDKs. They recently open sourced their Vision AI SDK, which allows you to build real-time vision applications. Let's show you what this looks like in action. So we're going to initiate our application.
I see a cozy room with a large Christmas tree in the corner. The tree is decorated with lights,
Hey,
ornaments, and
what am I holding up right now?
it looks like you're holding up a black smartphone in your hand. The
Are you
screen
sure,
is
are you
facing
sure
toward
it's a
you.
black smartphone?
Actually, now that I can see it more clearly, it looks like you're holding a container of Palmer's cocoa butter. It's a white jar with a label. That's what I'm seeing
What am
now.
I holding up right now?
It looks like you're holding up a tennis ball right now. It's bright and round, with that familiar fuzzy texture.
What do I do with this?
Well, with a tennis ball, you can use it for a lot of things.
What
You can
do
play
I
a
do
game.
with the thing I'm holding up now?
It looks like you're holding a travel mug or a tumbler. It's something you typically use for drinking coffee or another beverage on the go. You can open the lid and sip from it.
That is a very simple example of how the real-time vision agent works. You can see that it does still get slight mistakes wrong, but it identified the tennis ball, identified the cocoa butter, identified the travel mug, and we're able to speak to it in real time. We can do a lot more than that, but let's get started with building that very simple application. One of the best places to start is Stream's repo, their Vision Agents repo. So it's github.com /get stream /vision hyphen agents. And we scroll down and we can see some really great video, a great video. We can see some use case videos. I don't think that's going to play right now. We can see some coaching videos. I think later I might do a tutorial on this. And we can see the quick start guide. So we're going to quickly run through this quick start guide to get you started. One of the first things you want to do is open your IDE of choice. I have cursor open here, and you want to initialize a new Python project. So just like that, and you press enter, and now you've started your new Python project. Now you want to use the UV add Vision Agents to install the Vision Agents SDK. What you can also do is add some additional functionality with OpenAI, 11 Labs, and more. So we're going to do that. Now you're going to log into Stream and get your API key. So I'm logged in. I go to Dashboard. I go to Video and Audio, and I can see my OpenAI keys here. And I've got AI keys also. I can see, and I can see my API keys here. I just click on that and I can get my key and the secret. You then want to save that somewhere that you can reference it easy later. The next thing the Vision Agents documentation tells us to do is make some adjustments to our main.py file. So you can see we're importing packages, we are creating a environment file and storing our keys in that file. And there's some additional changes that we're making. What you can see here is we do have the prompt and instructions here. You are a video AI assistant. Keep your responses short and conversational. It's saying don't use special characters. Somewhere it's saying describe the world you see to the user. Have fun. So if we was to make a coaching agent, we would change the instructions here. I have my updated main.py file, and now I'm just going to save that, and I'm going to create my environment or my file for my environment variables. We're not going to share those credentials with you, but now I got my file with my environment variables sorted. We can initiate our application. I had an issue that was stopping this from running, so we want to also add the python.env or python hyphen.env to the dependencies list in this file here. To run this, we're going to do uv run python main.py.
Sure. I see a person
What is
sitting at
this?
a
What am I
desk with
holding
some
in my hand?
It looks like you're holding a small plush toy. It's light purple, almost like a unicorn or some kind of stuffed animal. And there's a black band or label around it with some writing on it.
What is this? What do I do with this?
That looks like a black cylindrical foam roller or a similar type of massage tool. You can use it to roll
Are
out
you
your
sure?
muscles,
Try
especially for.
again.
Yes, I'm sure. That looks like a reusable cup, likely for coffee or a similar drink. You can open the lid and drink from it. The material looks like a compressed, eco-friendly.
And there we have it. Within 30 minutes, you can get started with creating your own real-time vision model applications. If you have any issues, feel free to reach out to me on social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And happy hacking.